Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a very easy way to get to the crank sensor for an E46 BMW. As you guys can see, I already have the E46 already up with a jack stand under it. I believe this is the easiest way to get to the sensor. I always have a jack, just in case of an emergency. And I got the jack, the stand, got it in there. But technically the sensor you guys are trying to get to, let me see if we can get the, so here's the switch. Here's the switch, right? The sensor's right under the starter, which is right, let me see if I can move this. The sensor's right here. I'm trying to focus. This is the starter. The sensor's right under here. You should feel it with your hand. This is the easiest way to get to it without removing. Yes, I have an oil leak. That will get fixed. Technically, that is the easiest way to get to that sensor. A lot of E46 have that common issue with that sensor, and I heard nightmares about it, how to replace it. I've seen videos of people removing the intake and all this shit right here, all the stuff, which you technically don't need to. If you do, if you don't have a stand or a jack stand, or a jack, sorry. But since this occasion I do have it, it was a lot easier for me to get to it. I'm gonna try to show you guys the sensor I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the sensor we're trying to remove. So this is the crank sensor right here. This is what I end up using. I used a T30 with an extension and a half size ratchet. It don't matter. But that's basically all the tools I needed to remove this goddamn sensor. So I think that is the easiest way to remove this sensor without removing the whole top stuff. Of course, you need a jack and a jack stand. So just to get to this goddamn sensor. You guys can see this is a new sensor. That's how it comes in.